Hi educators, and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I was going to show you this wonderful resource which is called packing peanuts. So packing peanuts could be very different. They can be made of plastic like materials, or they can be natural like those ones. So these are the most sustainable, amazing packing peanuts that you can save or ask parents to donate and use them as a building loose parts and construction material in your early childhood classroom. Watch me to find out. To start building with these packing peanuts that are made of cornstarch, you need a little bit of water and those peanuts. So children can put a little bit of water at the tip of each peanut and put them together. Count 1, 2, 3 and voila! Now we can keep going like this. More water. Voila! You also can make them 3D if you add some other loose parts like sticks, like toothpicks or any other loose parts that you have in the classroom. If I want to make a person, I can start branching out like that. And don't forget to put a little bit of water. And we need some legs. Hold. Let it dry and voila! You can build anything with those peanuts and then display it to show your children creations. When you're done, and if children don't want to take them home, you can take pictures, display them. But once you are done at the end of the year, you can easily compost them. Win-win.